Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to find the save to spend amount in Rocket Money. So the save to spend feature and this app estimates how much money you can spend before your next payday after accounting for your bills, budgets, savings goals, and expected income. So it updates automatically as your account active changes and is available to Rocket Money Premium members or memberships. So actually guys, at first you will need to open the Rocket Money app and then just sign into your account. So actually guys, you will need then to tap the home page on the dashboard. So currently I can't show you or I can't guide you visually through these steps, but I'm going to be specific on my explanation, and that's only because my Capital One bank is blocked and I couldn't proceed to the dashboard. So on your dashboard you will need to tap the home tab and then just locate the save to spend card near the top of the screen, right? Then just view the amount available to spend before your next payday. Tap the card for more details about how the amount is calculated then, right? And actually, the Rocket Money estimates your save to spend amount using factors such as your current account balances, upcoming paychecks, scheduled bills and recurring expenses, budget limits, and saving goal contributions. So if you can't see save to spend, or if the feature isn't available, you will need to confirm that you have an active Rocket Money Premium membership, and make sure you have linked at least one supported checking account, as you can see, like me, to proceed, and verify that your income and recurring bills are detected correctly. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.